A champion breakfast this morning. We have here curry fried eggs with zaboka, lots of green seasoning, tomatoes, and grated cheese, kuchila and chow chow in the mix, bread, coffee to wash it down, and a caramel cheesecake on the side. Talk now. And here I was presented with a nice plaque from Caribbean Vibes of London. I have followers in London. Let's see how this goes. Going on good, going on good. First time trying this. Very tasty. Smooth and nice. Coffee to wash it down. Must have a taste of this cheesecake. Very cheesy, very sweet, tasty. More coffee. Going on good, going on good. Good food, good food. Yes, my people, for all your needs and business transaction in London, please visit Caribbean Vibes.